guys, my name is Sid and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Santa Teresa, Malilipot, Albay for another food adventure. Nako, as you can see, magbubukas po today ang Heriberta's Cafe dito sa Santa Teresa, Malilipot, Albay. And I'm really excited to meet yung owners. Syempre, matry natin yung food nila. And at the same time, makita yung napakagandang venue. Because I've heard yung venue nila pwede nyo gamitin for hanging out, for chilling, para sa coffee fix nyo. And at the same time, pwede nyo din siyang i-rent for your next events. Kaya pwede dito sa birthday, binyag, kasal, name it, pwede po yan dito sa Heriberta's Cafe. So what are you waiting for, mga seedlings? Let's go and find out and tingnan natin kung ano ang napakagandang Heriberta's Cafe. Let's go! Upon entering, makikita nyo guys, syempre ang wide open space. Pwede pasok nyo dito yung cars nyo. And at the same time, napaka-aesthetic ng place. Diba? Napakaganda. So as you can see here, ayan. So syempre, opening today. So meron tayong mga pa-balloons and stuff. So as you can see, makikita nyo dito sa pagpasok nyo. And this is the main na place. Kasi napakaganda yung venue, no? Napakaganda. Pwede kayo dito mag-chill. Pwede kayo dito magchikahan with your friends and family members. Tapos, maganda dito kasi pwede kayo dito mag-order ng napaka-masarap nilang food. So, I'll be trying their food later. So, samahan nyo ako mamaya. Okay, mga seedlings, let's go! Siyempre kasama natin ngayon si Sir Eric, ang ating owner ng Heriberta's Cafe. Dito lamang yan sa Santa Teresa, Malilipot, Albay. Nice meeting you, sir. And thank you so much for inviting me para dito sa opening ng Heriberta's Cafe. Excited ako makita ang ang
area namin.
Oo. Question ko po, kailan po nag-start itong cafe niyo?
Actually, ngayon ang opening niya, pero ito ay plinano namin to since I think 2020.
2020,
It just so happened na inabutan ng pandemic, so hindi natuloy. So finally, eto na tayo ngayon.
Para din sa mga seedlings natin, ano bang ibig sabihin po, sir, ng Heriberta's Cafe? Si Heriberta, sino ba siya?
Actually, Heriberta is nanggaling to sa pangalan ng nanay namin. I decided to use the name of my mother, Mrs. Heriberta Volante Reverente, para legacy ng aming pamilya. Mama Beth, as fondly called by the neighbors and the family members.
Okay, Mama Beth.
Yes.
Ayan. So si Mama Beth palang inspiration ng cafe na ito. So at the same time, what prompted you na mag-start ng ganitong klaseng business?
Yun na nga, nag-decide kami na i-open tong Heriberta's Cafe. For one, negosyo.
Of course.
Pangalawa is yung legacy nga ng magulang namin, ang naming nanay na si Heriberta, and at ang aming tatay na si Manuel. Pangatlo, kilala yung nanay ko na magaling magluto.
I see.
So at magaling mag-entertain ng mga bisita. Every time na may darating ng mga bisita dito, thankful sila pag alis nila dahil sobrang na-entertain sila. Magaling mag-entertain ng bisita yung magulang namin at magaling sa magluto.
Na-inspire talaga yung kanyang yung place na to, no? And at the same time, parang nalaman ko na pwede po pala ito for mga venues sa mga events.
Yes,
Tama po?
perfect for wedding, yung mga binyag. At isang nakikita kong maganda sa lugar na to, paano mo mapasagot ang nililigawan mo?
Ay, perfect!
This is a perfect venue doon sa mga nagliligawan.
Yes. And at the same time, sir, napakaganda ng place nyo talaga, no? Meron po ba tayong architect or inspiration nyo dito sa place nyo?
Actually, lahat ng part ng bahay na ito is my personal choice.
I see.
Pinagtulungan namin ng pamangking ko, including my family. Siyempre, nagtatanong din tayo, ano yung maganda dito. So, combined ideas of the family.
And at the same time, nakikita ko napakaraming alak. Mahilig po ata kayo uminom.
Actually, I'm not a drinker.
Okay.
Mahilig talaga ako mag-collect ng alak ever since.
I see.
Kung hindi nga lang yung iba, siyempre, every time may darating na bisita, nabubuksan yung iba, pero mahilig ako mag-collect ng
Collect.
yes,
Pero
ng
hindi talaga
alak.
tayo umiinom.
Napipilitan pagka may mga bisita.
Yes, pag may mga bisita.
Yes.
So excited na din po ako matry yung mga pagkain natin. Question po, itong mga food po ba natin, kayo din po handpick nyo po ba to? Or mga favorites nyo?
No, actually, it's personally handcrafted by our chef.
Wow, may chef!
Yes, we have our own chef. Lahat ng yan ay homemade.
Wow.
Including the buns, the patties. Gawa niya talaga yan. Hindi yan yung
Talaga?
binili na bread sa local markets and ginawa dito yung mga yung patties. Lahat po yan ay homemade by our chef.
Yes.
You should try para at
Ah.
least may kukwento mo rin sa labas ano yung quality ng food namin.
Of course. And I'm sure madami po talagang maiengganyo na pumunta dito because of this food as well.
Oo. Actually, this is only open during Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. But we are open for bookings and reservation. So they should book in advance.
I love it. Ayan. So of course, pwede natin invite din silang lahat no na you can guys contact their Facebook page at Eriberta's Cafe. So nandito siya, papakita natin. Ayan.
Yes, we have our own page. So madali lang pong malocate itong place namin. You can search it in Google Map.
Yes.
Eriberta's Cafe. And actually, we can offer to you is kung gusto nyo ng live music, we have our own selection of bands and musician. We have
Perfect.
our own contacts.
I love it. Okay, talagang handpick din na sir yan, mga
Yes.
contacts yan ha. Siyempre,
Oo.
mahilig sila sa music. So, siyempre, the music here is really good. Since this is the opening, paano po natin siyang may i-invite yung ating mga bagong mga bibisita dito sa Eriberta's Cafe? I-invite natin sila.
Mga kaibigan, kababayan, I would like to invite you to visit our place, the Eriberta's Cafe. I assure you, you will enjoy the place, the food, and the soothing music that we will give you.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice meeting you. And
Thank you,
try
Sid.
natin mamaya yung food. Okay? So,
Yes.
papakita natin kung gaano kasarap yung food ng Eriberta's Cafe. And dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. I'm really excited for you guys to try and makapunta kayo dito sa Eriberta's Cafe. Dito lamang yan sa Santa Teresa, Malilipot, Albay. Napakaganda niya for your next celebration. Kaya if I were you, i-contact mo na sila sa kanilang Facebook page. It's Eriberta's Cafe on Facebook. And you can reserve your spot and your slot dito sa Eriberta's Cafe. Siyempre po, na-try din natin yung napakasarap nilang food and we had a chance, siyempre, magkaroon ng short but simple conversation with our owner, na si Sir Eric Reverente. So what are you waiting for, mga seedlings? So come and visit Eriberta's Cafe that's located here in Santa Teresa, Malilipot, Albay. And dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. And if bago ka sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking future vlogs and future uploads. So with that, see you in my next vlog. Bye!